Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Band Baja Budget series. This is Jamie. I hope you guys are doing super duper great. कैसे हो सब लोग? Guys, in today's video, we're gonna see this beautiful multicolor silk tassel decoration. As you can see, I'm gonna show you how you can make a very colorful and vibrant mehendi backdrop. You can make it indoor or also outdoor like these. Just hang these beautiful tassels and your backdrop is ready. Guys, I have these things on my online wedding store. Just go check them out. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you from the start how we can decorate this. Let's get started, guys. So guys, I'm gonna use this backdrop stand that I purchased from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in description. You guys can check it out. Also, there are a lot of ways in which you can DIY your own backdrop and stands. I have a video on that which I've already made. The link is in description. Do go check it out. So I'm gonna use this beautiful multicolor tassels from BAJA Budget Wedding Store. So first, let's get started with the backdrop cloth. I'm using American crepe material here, and we're gonna do it pink this time. So I'm using baby pink cloth. Guys, I recently purchased these clamps from Amazon. So basically these clamps are used to attach the cloth to the backdrop stand properly. So here I am attaching the cloth to the stand using the clamp, and the cloth actually stays very neatly and there are no wrinkles, and also it is kind of wind resistant when we use the clamp because it stays tightly on the stand. Now take a look, guys. I'm using this jute rope, and see what I'm doing with it. I'm gonna tie this jute rope from one pole of the stand to the other, and on this particular rope I'm going to hang all the props. So let's take a look. So here are these beautiful multicolor silk fabric tassels with golden laces. These are available on my BAJA Budget Wedding Store. More information in the links in description, guys. Do go check out all the products on my store. The colors are customizable. You can let me know which colors you want in case you want these products from me. So each tassel strand is 6 feet long, and on the top of the tassel strand there is a hook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this particular hook on the top to the rope behind that we saw previously. So that's how I'm gonna tie all these tassels. I'm gonna attach the top end of the tassel to the rope behind so that the tassel strands stay properly. So 6 feet length is actually quite enough for a decent height of a backdrop. And yeah guys, so that's how I've attached all the tassels here, and already this actually looks really colorful and vibrant. And I think for a mehendi decor or for any kind of bridal function that you may have at your home, or even for any other kind of function, maybe for a housewarming, or maybe for a baby shower, these kind of backdrop looks very cute. And you can customize the colors as per your dresses or as per however you want to customize it. Do let me know in my BAJA Budget Wedding Store in case you want to get these props from me. So guys, once the backdrop is done, now I'm gonna make the seat. I'm using this tool. You can make you can use any kind of seat that you have in your home. I'm also using this ruffle sari to cover the seat. Use something that has some frills or ruffles so that it looks pretty. I also have this small stand. So I'm gonna put this bird cage and flowers and some fairy lights around it so that I really like the bird cage, the whole look of the bird cage. So I have two of them here, and both of them I'm gonna use here. And also I have these small cute lanterns, and I've just put some artificial flowers and creepers into it, and I'm gonna use that also for the decoration. Guys, I just want to take like 1 minute of your time and tell you, in case you are new to my channel here, in case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel already, then please do take 1 minute and subscribe to my channel right away. In case you are liking this video and liking my content and would like to see more of such wedding videos, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. It will mean a lot to me, and it will be like really motivating for me to make better content. Guys, I also have this flower vase here that I've already had in my house, and I'm gonna make use of this flower vase in the decoration. So that's how this whole beauty of DIY works. You basically have to enhance the whole look with the things in and around your house. See how you can work it out and how you can fit things in. That's it guys from my side in today's video. So I just wanted to make this video and show you how these beautiful, simple, elegant tassels can be easily used to create a wonderful, amazing, colorful backdrop for any of your wedding or other functions. So take a look guys. In case you like it, do let me know in the comment section below. Do check out all the links in description. See you guys next week with another wonderful wedding video. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do take a moment and subscribe. Bye bye guys, take care, lots of love, see you next week. Bye bye.